If you searched how to buy shares of Redcentric Plc, this quick guide will show the steps. Redcentric Plc is a UK-managed IT and cloud services provider listed on LSE PLC under the ticker RCN.L, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker RCN.L to locate Redcentric Plc. Select the matching stock result to open its asset page. On the stock page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the Redcentric Plc listing. Make sure it shows LSE PLC and the ticker RCN.L before proceeding. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next market open. If your available balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before confirming. After the purchase, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is provided in the video description if you want to visit the platform.